Hello and welcome to our quick little video presentation and run through our lovely little motorhome. So what we're going to do is going to walk through the van and we'll run through some of the systems just so you have an idea of how it all works. So we're going to start over here down at our windows. So we have, as you see here, a little lever. This will lock the window. Do make sure that when you're driving you do have that locked. If not, it may slide open, and if there's a chance of any rain happening, well, guess what? Someone's going to be sleeping on a wet bed. So nice little thing, just keep an eye on those. Just over here, as you see, we've got some USB ports. As you see, there's lots of storage. Just a single little press of the button and we've got lots of storage where you can put everything. Above our head here we have an air vent, which is going to be nice and easily opened up to get some air in. Do make sure we've got these closed when we drive. So coming back, we currently have our back bed in bed mode. This section here can lift up and we can turn this back into another table, or just leave it in its mode like that. Just stepping around here just to look at our kitchen facilities. So I'm just going to lift open our cooktop. As you see here, we have both gas and electrical connection. Obviously for this one to work we need to be plugged into 240 volts. Moving up here, we do see we have a fan and a light. And down here we have a griller there. You notice there I've just got a little tea towel there, just to sort of stop bumps and rattles. Do make sure that everything's cool before you close the lid. Coming down into here, we can see our plates. Again, I've tried to reduce rattling in them. Coming down again, as you see, we have a few fun things down there. Moving over to here. Again, as you see, we've got ourselves set up with most things. Again, more storage down here. And again the same down here. Just in here we have a few little things to play with. In terms of safety, we do have a fire blanket just here. Now while we're talking about safety, if I'll look around on this outside, just on the outside here we have the fire extinguisher. We have a little gas sensor just to its one side. Above the roof here we have, I affectionately call it the toaster's ready sensor, so a little smoke sensor. Back in here we've got dishwashing components, we've got a bucket, and as you see here just a few basic things to get ourselves started. Now to use the sink, this will depend on how we're set up with water, and we'll show you that water in a moment. But if we're going to use the onboard water, we're going to come over here to our control panel, and all I'm going to do is, well, turn it on. So once I do that, we'll then, and again you can hear the noise of it tapping away. It will turn off, as you see there. After a couple of seconds that will go away. Do make sure you turn that off once you're finished with it, and we go from there. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video now.